Mr. Swadhin Roy, welcome. Swadhin Roy, you applied for IBPS RRB GBO Scale 2, correct?
Correct, sir.
Yeah, when I think you can expect the interview date somewhere around November only, but still, since you are desirous of having it earlier, I am taking first one for you now. Please tell me, Swadhin Roy, about yourself.
Sir, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am from a small village, namely Horinna, in Murshidabad district. I have done my graduation, BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and I have total 6 years of experience in 3 renowned NBFC and 1 agri-tech startup.
Acha, acha. Good. Wow. Right now, where are you working?
Actually, sir, I gave my resignation prior to 20 days of my written exam to boost my preparation and give an extra edge to my preparation. Currently, I'm unemployed.
Currently, I am not employed. ऐसा बता दीजिए. Unemployed बोलने से बहुत crude लगता है. हाँ.
Okay.
I'm not
Okay.
or currently I'm not working. That's okay. Now, in
Okay.
your previous company, how long did you work? What was the nature of work you were doing there?
Yes, sir. I started my career from Shriram Transport Finance Company Limited as a management trainee. Where my key responsibilities are acquisition of vehicle loan customers, cross-selling of working capital product like tire loan, fuel loan, FD, RD, LI, GI, etc. And also I have assigned, also I have responsible for collection and recovery function of my assigned portfolio. Then I moved my career to a specialized collection management role. I worked in TMFL, Tata Motor Finance Limited, and HDB Financial Services Limited. Both these experience are higher market collection management. And lastly, I worked in a agri-tech startup, namely Agstack Technology Private Limited, where my key responsibilities are collection management of trade finance cases.
Good. I think we have talked earlier, once or twice, correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
You appeared for which interview then?
Sir, actually, I have taken interview from you 2 or 3 times earlier. Once I appeared for Bank of Baroda, and for GBO, I was also taking care of interview once with you.
For Baroda Bank GBO. Correct?
Yes. No, sir, actually it is a SO kind of post, collection manager role.
Collection manager role. Yeah. So now this is for GBO. Is it for marketing or for GBO
No,
only?
it is a GBO only, General Banking Officer, Scale 2.
Very good. Nice. Which bank do you have an account?
In SBI.
Acha. Since when are you having account with SBI?
Since my schooling days.
Good. So do you use their mobile app also?
Yes, sir. YONO mobile app.
Yeah. So what are the advantages for banks in providing mobile app services?
Sir, there are several advantages of using mobile app rather than using conventional banking methods. Like it will reduce the efforts of mine, also the cost of banking. Like in earlier days, we used to travel to the bank for suppose withdraw or deposits, but nowadays we can do through mobile app, through net banking also.
So that is the advantage for the bank, and the cost incurred by the bank will be less.
Reduces.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Because it is studies have proved that if one bank has to make payment over the counter, it takes nearly 70 plus rupees. Whereas here it costs only less than a rupee or two. Understand? So
Yes, sir.
that is the specific advantage from the point of view of bank, and it is also convenient for the bank, for the customer, that he need not spend time in going and coming all the way.
It also reduces the crowd of the bank where bank employees are focused on their other jobs like marketing and this.
So what do you think will be our banking scenario after 10 years from now? Do you think these branches will exist or not exist?
Yes, sir. Branches will exist, but the working methodology will be different. Like as we as nowadays UPI comes, and as I said, the conventional banking methodologies are now obsolete day by day. Like the ATMs and CDMs machine will be obsolete, but bank branches will occur, sir.
Bank branches will be there. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
that's right. Now, what do you think will be your job role once you join as GBO in RRB?
So GBO mainly responsible for branch manager of the whole branch. Like I have to, if I got selected, I have to manage the whole branch. I have to take care of the advance as well as collection, as well as the different working capital product like LI, RD, FD also.
Mm,
Also, there are some rural development schemes like KCC is also there.
mm,
There are
mm,
several government backed subsidized schemes are there. We have to implement there like APY,
mm,
uh, so PM JGBY, PM SBY,
mhm.
etc.
Can you tell me what do you understand by financial inclusion?
So financial inclusion means providing banking service to the unbanked person. Like in rural area where still now the person who are not getting the banking services like basic BSBD account, this kind of thing, we have to provide the banking service to that much area only. By there are several schemes are there which will implement the financial inclusion like Atal Pension Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Janodhan Yojana account, PMJDY, PMSBY, etc.
What is Sukanya Samriddhi Deposit Scheme?
Sir, it is a special deposit scheme for a girl child. Uh, the present interest rate, I think 8%.
Mm,
Uh, Maximum two girl child can open the account. If
mm,
twins, it can be three.
mm.
And there are two withdrawal facilities like for education and for marriage facilities, marriage purpose.
What is the minimum one has to remit in a year? Maximum, how much one can remit?
Can I take a guess, sir? I think minimum will be 250 and maximum is 1,50,000.
Correct. You're right. What are the different types of loans given by RRB?
There are several loan products are there.
Are
Like
you
as I
are you seeing the screen now?
yes, sir.
My questions are visible for you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, I should not.
I'm telling, sir. Uh, Actually, I prepared these questions earlier, sir. There are several loan products are there. Like Kisan credit card is the most favorable loan product for RRB. Then general credit card. There are JLG joint liability group, Krishak Jyoti loan account, housing loan. There also a scheme called Shiksha Surakha Yojana. Basically, it is a educational loan. Then personal loan also there, gold loan, car loan, trade credit is also there.
Hmm. Education loan, housing, SHG, MSME, exports, infrastructure, renewable energy, startups. Very good. What is PMJDY?
The full form of PMJDY is Pradhan Mantri Janodhan Yojana account. Actually, it is the main scheme for financial inclusion. Currently, 50 crores of accounts crossed in PMJDY. Actually, it is a basic savings bank account provided to the customers, where RuPay card is provided, 2 lakh of insurance is provided. There are no such minimum balance maintaining requirement, and
What
that's
are
it,
the
sir.
what are the uses of computers in banking?
So nowadays, 70% of the working is through computer. Everywhere we need to computer. Like as the population grows, we are more familiar with technology. Technology is a key role in banking.
Hmm. Have you heard of the concept NPA?
Yes, sir.
What is
My
NPA? What is NPA?
NPA is non-performing asset. In simpler terms, if from an account, if income is not generating, then it is called NPA. If we in bookish term, we can tell you, I can tell you, like if the DPD goes after 90 days, days past due goes after 90 days, then it will consider as NPA. In terms of agriculture loan for short-term crop, it is 2 crop season, and for long-term crop, it is 1 crop season. In terms of overdraft or cash credit loan, after 90 DPD, it is termed as out of order. This
So,
is also comes under NPA.
did you have any experience in dealing with NPA accounts in your NBFC service?
Yes, sir. Actually, in my first organization, Siram Transport Finance Company Limited, I used to take care of a holistic role like sales, working capital, cross-selling of working capital, as well as collection. But after Siram Transport Finance Company Limited, I worked in 2 renowned NBFC, TMFL and HDB. Both these experienced are higher bucket collection management. Where in TMFL, I used to take care of 4 to 15 bucket of cases. It is
But
comes under NPA.
bucket means what?
Bucket means, sir, if we
I am not familiar with this term.
actually sir, if we categorized assets, first of all, assets can be classified into two categorization. One is standard assets, another is substandard assets. If we talk about standard assets, further it will be classified into 3 parts, like SMA 0, SMA 1, SMA 2. SMA 0 means DPD of 0 to 30, and this SMA 0 is bucket 1. After that,
Oh,
SMA 1, 31 to 60, this is called bucket 2.
oh,
And SMA 2, 61 to 90, it is called bucket 3.
super.
When it comes to NPA,
Acha,
4 to
acha.
50.
Before it is becoming NPA, you take care of it. Good.
No. After coming to the NPA part, I used to take care of 4 to 15 bucket.
Oh, 4 to 15.
Yes.
Very good, very good. What is SurfaceC?
SurfaceC, the full form of SurfaceC is securitization of asset reconstruction and enforcement of financial interest act, I think. It is came under 2002. Prior to that, a bank has to go to the court for dealing with these NPA accounts. But after SurfaceC came, government of India provided a relaxation to the banks, like you bank people don't have to go for resolution of this NPA account. They will do that from SurfaceC Act. SurfaceC divided into 3 parts. First part is securitization of assets. Securitization of assets means we have to take mortgage, or we have to take hypothecation as an assets. Generally, hypothecation is not comes under SurfaceC. SurfaceC comes under mortgages asset like home loan, this kind of thing. After that, enforcement of security interest and financial enforcement of Financial Interest Act.
Yeah.
And there are 3 sections in SurfaceC. First one is 13.2, where in 13 to 60 days of notice to the provided. After that, if customer have any query, they can recall back within 15 days of the serving notice, getting notice. Then 13.4, we used to do the repossession notice pasting at the mortgage assets. And in section 14, with the help of DM or district collector kind of rank holder, we used to take the repossession of these mortgage assets.
अच्छा. Now, can you tell me what is NBFC and bank? उसका difference क्या है?
Yes, sir. Mainly, generally, there are three differences are there. First one is NBFC. NBFC doesn't comes under DICGC insurance benefits. The DICGC is a subsidiary of RBI, where every deposits where it can provided up to 5 lakhs of insurance benefits to the every deposits. Second benefits is Payment and Settlement Act. Like NBFC can't issue check where bank can. And third difference is yes, NBFC can't open demand deposits like savings bank current savings account, current account, but bank can do so.
Yeah. What is rural development?
Rural development means development of rural people. Like for rural development, there are several financial institutions. There are NABARD, there are RRB. NABARD means National Bank of Agriculture for Rural Development. It is established on 12th July 1982 with the initial capital of 100 crore by the recommendation of B. Sibraman Committee.
Very good. What is plastic money?
Plastic money is debit card
and a credit card.
Credit card.
Very good. Thank you so much. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
You did well. I think, did you join formally or you just came in straight away here? I think you are not.
Sir, actually, my interview is not scheduled today. I realized that there was a interview going on, and I joined, sir.
Did you join formally for this program? No, GPAY.
Formally means what, sir?
Did you pay separately money and join?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I paid for interview.
Acha, 83485. Maybe you are paid through some other number. Through that number, it's okay.
So please check the WhatsApp. I have already paid to you, sir. Yeah,
very good. Yeah, I know, because you send in both, you know. 83485555393. I think you appeared for IDBI also.
Yes, sir. I am appeared for IDBI also. But I am in waiting list in IDBI.
And I think you went for Indian Bank also.
Yes, sir. Where I also got rejected.
This time you remitted money on which date?
This time, once again, sir, I'll check.
Doesn't matter. You send it again, no problem. Thank you. Thank you. Now, next, who has come for mock interview, please? Anybody has come for mock interview? Come on, quick.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Sir?
thank you. Yeah. Flory,
Sir, yes, sir.
you have come for mock
Sir,
interview. Your number?
Yes, sir, yes.
Your number is?
9567952253.
Yeah, very good. 1 minute.